All right, here we go. This is literally day one owning the truck. Last night, I went through a bunch of the cleaning products that everybody said, actually for the past few days, as I researched what to do to get the grease and junk off here. And everybody's got different styles and stuff like that. So before I go out and pay a bunch of money to get everything steam cleaned, had a bunch of stuff ordered. That was this Purple Power stuff, scrubbing bubbles. I got the gloves. I got a bunch of stuff from Harbor Freight. The right gloves, the eye protection, the spray bottles. We're gonna just jack it up in the back. Got the wheel chucks in for safety. And then we're gonna start on either side of the back and underside. And then we're just going to work our way forward. So I'm going to drop the spare tire. And then as we go under here quickly, this thing smells like scrubbing bubbles, because what I did last night was shoot it all with scrubbing bubbles. Got everything as clean as I could, just from, however many years of traveling here and stuff like that. So getting as much up of the differential done and the transmission and all of the other stuff, because I want to get it as clean as possible and see where everything or anything leaks, if you will. But we're going down to getting this stuff just all kinds of clean. This is going to be a project car with my son, and as you can see, there are no bits of rust on this frame because this thing grew up here in Arizona and it is in stellar freaking shape. So we're gonna start at the back. I'm gonna jack it up. We'll have the wheels off of it, and then we're gonna work into the middle, and then we're gonna work all the way up and into the bottom of the engine and everything up there, and then we're gonna go up into the engine bay and start doing that. But first I want to get all of this looking like it is great. So that's it. Follow along. This is going to be a multi-years long project. Good things, bad things along the way, I'm sure. So that's it. Oh, I do have a question for those of you who are watching this. I want sort of an opinion because it's hit or miss. Would you take the running boards off? I know it's, I'm not going to put rock rails on it yet. I'm not building my rock crawler like I have here. I got enough to go up a rock with this thing. But for this, it'll look cool, but is he going to need them? No. So anyway, that's kind of it. Give me your 2 cents, your thoughts, if you use different cleaners, etc. And we'll see you on the Here's What It Looks Like Super Clean video.